नमस्कार, सत श्री अकाल, अस्सलाम वालेकुम, God bless all my audiences. We thought that in HR, compliance also plays very vital role. Earlier in HR, statutory compliances was very much visible and very much in practice. Statutory compliances is basically normally known, which are pertaining to Provident Fund Act, Employee State Insurance Corporation, Bonus Act, Minimum Wages Act, and Industrial Dispute Act, and implementation of so many act and activities which I have not spelled out. Maybe one more act is important, is the Gratuity Act. So earlier, inspector used to visit organization and he used to check all your records, organization record, register and systems, and whatever you are doing is in accordance to the law concern. If you are implementing the law well within the statutory parameters, then you are given good remarks in the visit report and matter is closed there itself. But it is difficult that this will happen, that easily he will write any good report or completion report, task completion report. कहीं पर मिनिमम वेज दिया जा रहा है, कहीं पे नहीं दिया जा रहा है, दिया जा रहा है तो आदमी काम सुपरवाइज़र का काम कर रहा है और उसको जो वर्कर का सैलरी दिया जा रहा है, आदमी जो है सुपरवाइज़र दूसरे ग्रेड का है और उसको सैलरी दूसरे ग्रेड की दी जा रही पर डे बेसिस पे, उसको टीए एंड डीए, हाउस रेंट अलाउंस, कन्वेंस दिए जा रहे हैं, लेकिन एज पर गवर्नमेंट नॉर्म्स दिए जा रहे हैं कि नहीं दिए जा रहे हैं। HRA 5% आप बेसिक एंड डीए है तो आप केवल बेसिक पे दे रहे हो, डीए पे नहीं दे रहे हो। पीएफ अर्न बेसिक पे आप काट रहे हो, ज़्यादा काट रहे हो, कम काट रहे हो, बेस्ड अपॉन योर प्रैक्टिसेस विच इज़ नॉट गुड टू टॉक हियर। All these things, an inspector comes and inspects. He asks queries and settles if answer is to the satisfaction, or else he takes a note of it and gives time to complete it, rectify your record. If it is done, then fine. Otherwise, if you are defaulter once, twice, and hopefully even up to third level, then you have to accomplish it and you are not to be part of the any notice. or if you are failed, you will be issued a notice and you will be putting the round to the courts. Similarly, Gratuity Act, when it is applicable. See, normally eligibility criteria, applicability criteria, percentage, these are the very important, and in which industrial zone you are belonging, all these are the very important in general. ESIC, monthly contribution of employee is prescribed and corresponding employer's contribution is also defined. Are you doing in accordance to that or not? Employee state insurance is little bit extended to another statutory compliances like identity code, different online code are made or not, family's photos are there or not, and if any emergency that concerned person with the employee, with I take it back, with the family member, they visit to the employee state insurance declared hospital and get the good treatment, comes back their house, and all the charges is borne by the authority because you are the employee stated ESIC member. So you and your family member is eligible to take the hospitalization benefit. Other so many benefits I cannot talk in a small session, but are there. Gratuity Act, if you work so and so period from the date of appointment, then you are eligible or you are not eligible. If you are eligible, if you have worked more than the prescribed period, then how much you will give? How much you will get? 20 lakhs maximum, or what is the rule? The rule says that 20 lakhs are actual calculation, whichever is less. So here also calculation complications are there, eligibility complications are there, and the calculation method either to be divided by 30 or divided by 26. If so, then why? If not, then why? So all these kind of the things in statutory compliance comes, and respective inspector, he visits. If you are maintaining the record properly in accordance to the law, then fine. Otherwise, you will be given opportunity 1, 2, and it is not written that I am saying that it is written that 1 opportunity, 2 opportunity. No, it's just compatible with the 1 opportunity, 2 opportunity, and 3rd opportunity. Notice comes to you, go to the court, and you sort out your problem over there. So this is the one compliances. I am going to talk to you another compliance in my next version. Thank you very much.